Hey guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today I'm preparing a very special video because, as you know, it has been my birthday and I received a very unusual present. A bottle of vodka. Vodka has 0 carbs. So I will prepare for you some cocktails with vodka. You will see that I will wear different outfits because I'm planning to prepare 4 cocktails and I cannot drink 4 cocktails in the same day. So I did it in 4 different days. But let's go together to enjoy this only for adults video. In all the cocktails I will use vodka and ice cubes, but these are the rest of the ingredients. Number 1, for the Caipiroska I will use lime and sweetener, but I will do the strawberry version, so 1 strawberry per person too. Number 2, the Bloody Mary. I will need lemon juice, celery for the decoration, tomato sauce seasoned with salt, pepper, powdered garlic and tabasco. Number 3, the Vodka Lemon. I will need fresh mint, lemon, sparkling water. I use the Perrier that is very sparkling, and some sweetener. And number 4, for the Vodka Sour, I will use lemon and egg whites. I choose egg whites in a bottle because they are already treated and they are safe for eating or drinking raw. So that's a good option and you can find it organic too. But let's start with the Caipiroska by washing very well our lime because we will use it all of the lime, also the peel outside. So wash it very well. And if you can, buy it organic. The reason is that we should dice our lime and all of it will go into our cocktail. Meanwhile, I will tell you a little bit the story of the Caipiroska. It's born from Caipirinha, from Brazil, a cocktail typical of Brazil. But Caipirinha is not keto, it's full of sugar. If you do it with vodka and you transform it into the Caipiroska, that is also very famous and delicious, it will become keto because, as I told you, vodka has 0 carbs. The story says that the Caipirinha has been invented as a remedy against the flu, and then grandmothers in Brazil were preparing it just to give strongness and power to the people affected by the flu. We hope the Caipiroska will work as well as the Caipirinha because we really need it. For the strawberry version, that is my favorite, we will need also 1 strawberry per person. And I will use 2 because I will drink this cocktail with my husband. But you should wash the strawberry very well and dice it too and mix it with the lime. That's very easy and it will give a special taste because I remind you that vodka has no taste. So if you put the lime, it will taste like lime, but if you put the strawberry too, it will have an extra touch. As you can see, I didn't use all the lime. I cut it 2 round slices because I will use them as a decoration on the glass. I like decoration, I like presentation of what I prepare, so I will do it with cocktails too. Finally, press the strawberry, the lime together with the sweetener. I'm using powdered erythritol, but the granulated is better. I had it powdered at home. If you don't have erythritol, just use any granulated sweetener with 0 calories. It will be keto too. And then the last 2 ingredients, the ice cubes that I blend because it should be ices but not big pieces of ice. And the vodka, of course. I remind you that vodka has 0 carbs but a lot of alcohol. And on keto, usually we feel alcohol even more. So be careful with the quantity. And now it's time to prepare 2 nice glasses of Caipiroska, putting the ice. Our combo of strawberry, lime and sweetener all pressed together. And you should mix it with the ice. And finally, the vodka. But don't forget the decoration. You could also use like some fresh mint or a strawberry, but I prefer the lime. So I will put 1 slice of lime on every glass. I will put also a straw. As you can see, I'm using metal ones. This is a present from my great friend Adele. So thank you so much, Adele. I really love them. And now the Bloody Mary. Not everybody likes this cocktail because it's salty, but I love it. I will prepare 1 glass because my husband doesn't like it. For this cocktail, I will use ice cubes, but not blended ones, just big ones. And I choose the one with a heart shape. They will look lovely. So I like also how the cocktail looks. Then the bloody ingredient, the tomato sauce, if I can open the bottle. Talking about tomato sauce, I highly recommend you, if you don't prepare it by yourself, to read the label, because there are big differences in carbs content. Sometimes they put sugar inside, so that's very dangerous for your ketosis. And now we should only season the sauce and this cocktail will be ready. I'm using the classic ingredient, half lemon juice, salt and pepper. Then it's typical also to put tabasco, but it's not typical to put powdered garlic. I'm using it because on keto we cannot use the typical Worcestershire sauce. I will write the name of this Worcestershire style because I cannot pronounce it, so you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that sauce is not keto, and powdered garlic gives that flavor of garlic that the sauce usually has. And now the presentation. I'm not happy with this glass. I tried to clean it with a spoon, but I'm still not very happy because it looks a little bit dirty. We mixed everything together and of course it goes also on the sides. So I will change the glass, and as you can see, it makes a big change. When you present the cocktail, they should look clean and delicious. So don't forget also the other decoration, the celery, because it will give a green touch that it will look amazing. My celery is not very green, but I'm sure you can find a better one. And now it's time for the super famous and the super refreshing Vodka Lemon. My husband loves it, so I will prepare 2 glasses. They are not too big because we are not a big drinker, but it will taste amazing. I will use ice cubes that are shaped as Christmas decoration because I forgot to put the heart-shaped ice cubes into the freezer. So forgive me for this fun presentation. If you have a more romantic one, it will be better. And now the star of this cocktail, the lemon juice. I'm using half lemon for both glasses, but I remind you that these are very small glasses, so usually it's half lemon juice for every cocktail. Finally, the vodka and the Perrier water. I recommend this water, but if you have any other sparkling water, it will work. Mix with the sweetener and the cocktail is ready, but don't forget the decoration. I choose some fresh mint leaf, because it will give some colors too. And now it's time for the last cocktail. That is also a little bit strange, but it will surprise you because it's delicious. The Vodka Sour. For this cocktail, quantities are very important, but easy to prepare, because you should put in 1 glass the vodka, in another glass the lemon juice, that should be half quantity of the vodka, half size of the vodka. And I have already seen that my vodka is too much. I will put it in another glass, so the quantities will be perfect. Finally, the egg whites, that should be half size of the lemon juice. So first vodka, a lot of it, then lemon juice, half of the vodka, and then egg whites, half of the lemon juice. I hope you understood, because I know my English is not perfect. And now, if you have a shaker made to prepare cocktails, the one in metals that you see in many movies, like Cocktail with Tom Cruise, you can use it. But I don't have it because, as I told you, we are not big drinkers, but we are enjoying them. I have to admit that these cocktails are really special and delicious. And talking about the recipe, I will use this glass container with an hermetic lid, so it will be a kind of shaker, even if it's not very professional. You should start by shaking vigorously your egg whites with the lemon and the vodka. In this way, you will form like a foam made with the egg whites. Then you should add also the ice cubes. In this case, even if I have back my heart shapes one, it's not important the shape, because we will filter it and you will not see the ice cubes. And now be fast, very fast. That's important, because you should shake it with the ice. In this way it will cool down, it will be a fresh cocktail, and then filter through a net. As you can see, I did it wrong. I did a big glass and a very little one. I will drink the big one, but it's okay. The net is very useful because, as I told you, you should not have the ice cubes, but you also should not have big bubbles of egg whites. In this way, you will have like a white cream on top that is not only beautiful, but it will taste amazing. And if you want to be 100% sure not to taste the egg whites, you should sprinkle the top of your cocktail with a squeezed lemon peel. I really hope you liked today's video and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another keto video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all for subscribing, for liking my videos, and for making me happy with some nice comments here below. Thank you. See you next week.